Today we will learn how to create a 3D camera tracking effect in Adobe After Effects. First, let's move in the timeline. I have added a video of a building to the timeline. Next, I will search for 3D camera tracker from the effect and preset and apply this effect to the video layer. You will notice that the tracking analyst has started. If the video resolution is high, the tracking process might take a bit of time, but if your computer has good configuration, it will complete faster. Once the tracking is done, you will see a server tracking point on the video. From here, you can select the point where you want to place the video. We can also adjust the target size, making it larger or similar, depending on your needs. Actually, we set the target size to 100%. You will increase the tracking point size. The points will appear bigger, making it easier to see and work with. I will select a point where I want to place the video. After selecting the point, right-click and choose Create Solid and Camera. Now we will adjust the solid layers, size and position as we prefer. Next, right-click the solid layer and choose Pre-Compose. Make sure the top point is enabled. When we double-click, it will open in a new timeline. Now I will go to the project panel and import any video footage that I want to place in the frame. After selecting the video layers, press S on the keyboard to bring up the scale position and increase the scale value to fit the frames. To adjust the position, press P and bring the video to center using the position option. Once this is done, if I go back to the previous timelines, you will see that the video has appeared in 3D. Now let's add another 3D video in the same way. First, select the tracked video, go to the effect control and choose 3D camera tracker again. The tracking point will appear again and you can add a new video by selecting another point. You can repeat this process as many times as you want to add more videos. To learn more exciting video editing tips and tricks, check out our previous videos and make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can receive notification for our upcoming videos.